and some of the other doors on DBS bodan so ate na be boss why DBS ya or ko boss man free ya waga se be hweko watete so dada wate so DBS damase nsamo kan one opay na ye sports page 1 eba MTN isim ni nie ye nyina ye ko sim yebanya sa isim yi ewo my MTN app no so etimpa App Store ni Play Store ni download the MTN app no na ye gina etimi akọ seamless today you makwe dey sia konkon the sports page 1 eba Kegyiwa na gasa ni Eric Asiedu Boadi weekend e fi mo buy no
Kotoko penalty na
ase na meba na matini hu ha menko kan no ni makonya problem kotoko Kumasi asase kotoko MTN FA Cup round of 16 kotoko ni aduana ebo fie ye brother anya mankan penalties ne kinkin ni kotoko bo penalties na gu aduana ayi kotoko film ama adena is something which is there palma pressure back coach Karim Zito so anya sam ketwa after the game Zito den sam kakra tudwa na sane man focus yempam no MTN modern bono no they are tudwa ni.
Well, it's painful, but there's nothing you can do. As for knockout, this is the characteristics of knockout. I remember a 4-tie team in Britain took matches away. It's very painful, but there's nothing you can do. But we had our opportunity to do, we couldn't do it. I know they are agitated already. I still tell them this is football. They are building. If they are patient, fine. If they are not patient, whatever happens.
Oh, that's it. No, if they are patient, if they are not patient, whatever happens.
Was it on your bit to be on Nimo? Or my sit to me any place not something. No problem is saying. I told you the blessed to make us say, Coach, yes, you need the call. You try your best. That is it on us on who or yet you bet to be an excuse. I was your coaching, you know, my on the bad table, so but I'm fat. I'm quite camera. And I'm told Jack Kenya. Aristika Chiobana coach the Madriana Stars. Or no, or can be an say Adwana. Aristika.
You see, it's important about this is another game. In the league, it's another tactic. In the cup, it's another tactic. About to no need the personal mistake. The player need focus the first minute to 90 minutes. Respect our plan, what you working this week. I think is respect the plan, what working in this week. And this trust, confidence is coming here and it's possible win the game. I respect the Kotoko about he have the good team, but you know the football he play here in the pitch and who play better and who concentration is win the game. But the first 90 minutes is the 0-0. It's only the penalty who have the good luck is win the game. But I think congratulations from these two teams about today play good football together. Very good qualification, but you will try the best. And for me, it's important if you see more young people is inside in the team, 19 year, 20 year, 21 year, and you'll do the job very, very good. For me, this is important about I see this new team.
I don't Lebanese
or Romanian.
You know, we don't want to catch you back. Where they are Indian.
Well, my buddy say I'm a catch us pressure neighbor.
It's too much.
Koroko fans akasa. Ebi say nyambo trema coach no. Ebi say dia. Tell ebi ade no. Ebe ye hu enye yeso hu ka na eba na ka na papa se ka etuntutu yi papa hu engine nya hu tie Koroko fans
esi dia fonya dio dia sire dia fonya dia fonya dia ba if you very bad I jamu we disappoint us we do any masisa we have to fight football shey na do member said you shey na do member come for we disappoint me papa. What disappointed me? We don't give Papa. Tell you come back. I'll be able to watch it. You got down watch it. You know, so we read it. We read it. I'm going to start it. I'm going to bet in Zaya. Checking is Zaya. Sabaza, Jenny Abon, Sour Payabon, and one Yabon. And one Yabon. What is sending? One of the best I don't know what Yabon. Yeah, practice here. Yeah, that from safety. Yes, no, we will say capacity. The professor can become a moon. I'm the last time somebody will say, yes, because of the yes, I come back. Yes, a lot of place to come back. One like you do. Let's come back.
Wey aye kotoko fancy bi nsemo a wamode to edwa na yaka kotoko de na wie no na ze kotoko amfante Adriana Stars are qualified for the next round. Na Ibrahim Tenko no so coach Edima Medima Sporting Club abon man tena ba so sansa mutumi kira mo so ayi samates afimu omo ye league leaders e ba FA Cup no so mabeje omu di ho pa Tenko ni.
No, I think it feels good to qualify to the next stage. And like you said, the game was really intensive game, up and down. But I think at the end, we are happy that we are going to the next one. I think when you look at the game and the first half, I think Kingsley was missing in the game. So definitely we have to do something. And then we bring Harry. Yeah, I think he did well in terms of defensive and all this. But Salam, I think we had a knock and he was limping, and we also have to change him. And Kevin as well, you saw it. So it's first change for the.
Right, thank you, Ibrahim. And then somebody to join a coach at the Mami Dima Sporting Club. Now, ya can say, you know, Shannon Sumame. So, I found the visa boy 11 won by 4 goals to 0 nations. We need 2 of our Red Raw Blacks. Mediama and Samates, Diano, a 4-2 penalties, Mediama call, and a true life also. Heart of Lions, no movie 3-2. Samson and Dreams, if also ball internalized by 4 goals to 2. Now, Adriana also 4-2, 1 more equal to confirm. Tachiman, Liberty used the ball, Eltawala United by 3 goals to 0. Brekum Chelsea qualify. Abroad ball Tamale City by a goal to 0. We're in the MTN FA Cup, round of 16. The next round of the competition, you see, and the quarter finals. Now, time the visa, enemy dear man, about now, nations, Brekum Chelsea, about Adriana, and Tamale Liberty Youth. Now, Dreams FC, and soon out of lands, the Apim. So, we MTN FA Cup, and so on, some man, pay, yet the air war. Yakan is Sari on the channel, so Mamma, so Kopimo, the Crash Sports Stadium, and Ra, the Black Princesses of Ghana, a FIFA and a 20 Women's World Cup qualifier. Yen South Africa, the Pim, so ya, Obias and Yonko come, you know, Nancaster Princesses to Minya, resources 20 pounds, so 2 there, Yakopio Johannesburg, and now so Shaba. Now, so Charles Simpson, on your coach, Edema Ghana team, and say no shaking. Send on by Abenya 2 goals, just with Marco, which some of the echo. And he outside the game, not drawn a mama from a bomb movie, about Mabawa Nabaso.
Our aim was to win this game. Our aim was to get goals. We dominated the game. That was also one of our plans. We created chances. I think what we lacked today is the calmness to convert the chances into goals. We scored the 3rd goal that I even think is questionable because we played the ball to the line and could cut it in. I'm going to say it, so I can just say that we lost a little bit of concentration when we came back from the recess. And then we were not brave enough when they had the ball around.
Right, Simpson and I watch them on second. Be a son on maybe or to the 2 Aquemwa. No, Jenny Sebekoye, and it's a being in the second leg and the Becono. Yet want some and so at the Abre war. Now, I can't say, you know, Shannon Sumame said the senior chance to cut him the Black Stars of Ghana. So, when you say, Nanwada, if you ever told me, and me, I can't want to be an to about Super the Major Pay to my Miss Timobium and Famao. They say, and Penny for the better to dress a year, what capital, and see a beefy home. Oh, ya mimi ya nemu ye te say ya bo enipa mako enum bi din so ma beka Black Stars and get him ne ho. Eti I can bibia bo mo say na say ya ten get him no esiako yo toru na head coach. Wilfred Schaefer and so technical director and advisor. Desmond Ofei assistant coach. Derek Bonsu athletic coach. They say new Black Stars technical team say na tie.
Na omo no so do
20.
Normal, I understand that.
Elsewhere,
baby, we are saying, men kasa.
Say, they will be few in it, Miss will be few.
Me and Kasa.
You read your Minaka.
And your honor maker. The standard practice.
Practice, yes.
Me and Kasa.
Backroom staff for the maybe 30 cry, no Mukunachino, Yajman, Pia or Najmo.
If you walk 30 now, 20. Yeah, do fear any Sikasem.
Tibu a coach na do we ko to near the Canada. Yes, and the squad abeka hu no.
Abrofo do na no.
Ani ye.
Bo ma ba kwasem yi kire so munim de omoye.
E bi o ha,
bi so kwache mako.
Bi o hon the experience nation den ni ho bebre. Bi o ene na ye dwuma pen e na koe no buy. Okay. Fatal Dauda goalkeeper's coach. John Pace assistant coach. The assistant coaches no, it's on my be 4. Okay. Chris Parkway so ye psychologist. Edward Ababiu physiotherapist. Samuel Ankoma mazoe. And after Awa Salifu video analyst. Aminu Shadow team manager. Isa Amidu kit officer. Raman Al-Hassan so kaho. Etuwa they say no de name kaka konde ya beef squad ne pa anya sam keto akra. Etisha no so sa fami. Now weekend here I can want some ade achero. na already eka kona Ghana for be natural madwen ese de ya ye kire se otu adonyade o man say bia ye beefy up squad no ye beefy up technical team no kire se onyade
ye kasa o
se ne Ghana for de on say omo say onyade na afre de enipa ne so be ka ne ho a eno so ye sans wo na we mo fi na no kire se say 5 key names
okay
and ye de ababeka ho
okay.
Ebi ya adwuma Monaco pen Alain Rivera no ya adwuma Monaco ha woni Monaco for
yes e wom
na
well
me ye na mapon ti ma me mo bodin so me de kan bo ni nyina e de kire o ba
Ghana for say ni wom
Ghana ni ba ko ba no say watena obi man so a na wasamba
okay
watena obi man so a
ye de bibia obi man so for nko ande mu yema
o say
ye blaster obi man so
e say school no ko school na du ba bia go out me ko abrochire ko sua de kakra ba
ye nka say but obi man so for no dos
o man say why you nya yanka ko sua de abro
baby ya
ungo sua de abro
awo we da hopa
ko say I want enye de bia na
wo de bia about empire
o ma unya konya so ko abrochire ko agosua de ahonko
se me ko ene wo
ko sua de
na school po anum na da o ma wie de o mo kira
Alain Rivera assistant coach Samson na Black Queens coach no
yeah
okay na koka Black Stars
better you
say Daniel Martinez Alfonso assistant coach and video analyst. This assistant coach is me, you know. Or assistant coach and video analyst.
It's what do party no way.
On the head coach.
Okay, you're not front.
And after you know Carlos Lozano Romero, where team physiotherapist. And when I'm so appreciate you.
A therapist no way.
Oh,
also kawe hu.
Wa we so ba ka.
Okay.
Dwayne Piazza Pakwesi.
Ghana ni.
But nya ha no.
Ada ye wa ha ne mo
performance coach. Performance coach. It's when you don't have a cat than a whole and take a nipa 20.
Right.
And oh, say near
Jumani.
Yo, so and you remember near the sports picture.
Got to with the form team.
Twice slow, empty and Damasi. DBS National Limited.
I obey no Damasi. And then many abra
no,
I you the embed.
I don't know. Anyone, Kegyiwa can send you a case where I almost see Casa Okobo.